Good morning, peoples. Good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. One thing I realized I'm gonna have to work on it this weekend is for some reason I'm only getting audio on one side. So bear with me, y'all. I'm still testing stuff out, getting stuff together. All right. Where we at? Where we at? So, all right. So we've been consolidating all night through Asian and London session, this consolidation here. But I think there was some news about tariffs or something like that, which caused this big drop here. This is a 15-minute chart at 8:15. It was a real big spike down and a move up. So it created a fair value gap in this 15-minute fair value gap. I did take a couple trades short in this fair value gap. I took profit around here, and good thing I got out. I was taking some heat for a second too. Was taking some heat for a second, but being patient. It came up to let me find my other box. Where my other box at? Excuse me. It's about to invalidate this fair value gap now. So could be a move higher if it pushes through this fair value gap and then comes back down and if it inverts this fair value gap, it could use it as support for a push up. We got a 1 hour gap up here as well. We've only moved 194 points as of right now. So we're gonna see. Why can't I see my box? 10 minutes for market open. Let me check my audio. Mic check, mic check. I think that's it right there. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. I had a setting wrong for my microphone. It was only coming out of one ear. That should be good now. Um, I'm trying to get this box going. There you go. There you go. Okay. Yeah, I took a couple trades earlier. The first trade was a loss. The second trade it got me back good. So we got about 7 minutes for market open. So we're just gonna wait and see what they trying to do. I see it's there's a rejection. It's a rejection up here in this gap. So this white line right here is the yesterday's close price. Yesterday's close price is 21,384.50. So we see it came up to it and got rejected. The trade that I took earlier, I was short. I was short around here, and then that's why I was saying I took some heat, but it came up to midnight open price, which is at 12 o'clock. That's called a midnight open price. I got that marked with this brown line right here. Wait, let me make sure. Oh, my bad. This is the. Oh, let me change my screen. Okay, so this is yesterday's close price, and this is the midnight open price, which just so happens to be the 61.8 for the day, golden ratio for the day. So my expectations is still short from here, but they're gonna have to show something different. But at the same time, there is a gap here. So if it come down to here, maybe take out this little liquidity pool right here. Let me remove this. Take out this little liquidity pool right here. Maybe tap down into this fair value gap. At the open, it might. I'm thinking that it might just wick down into this. Tap the 38.2, which is yesterday's close price. Yesterday's low, the low of yesterday, because it already took the low. It took the low, came back. I don't know why I didn't take this trade here, because how I was looking at it was, came down. It made a high right here. So what I did was I took from this swing low here to this swing high here. It came back 50%. That would have been a great trade. But it is what it is. Yeah. So we just wait. Patiently wait. Patiently wait. Market open in 3 minutes, 2 minutes. See if this little gap hold up. Which is inside of the 15-minute candle. So the 15-minute fair value gap. So we'll see if it wants to respect this area, or if it want to invert it. I'm going in with 3 micros on my smaller accounts and 1 mini on my 250K accounts. So let me measure this out. If I did want to take that trade, if it come here to there, that'd be $72.50 per contract, which would be about about $200 of risk. Yeah, about $200 of risk. They already took out London and Asia high and low. So we just gotta wait and see which direction they want to go in. Market open. This little green line here is the 9:30 open price. So if they want to come down, I will set an order here. can see how I go from there. This blue line here is the 830 open price. You see it respected this fair value gap up here for right now. Hit that like button for me, y'all. Appreciate the support. If it don't come back down, we just wait and see what else we can come up with. If we don't come up with nothing, that'll be it for today. Small green. Mm-hmm. Do we got any other news for today? Consumer sentiment at 10. There we go. You're about to get tapped in. Tapped in the game, coach. Oh, don't do me like that. All right, we in. Uh-oh, my system is lagging. May take a small little base hit. This probably gonna be my only trade for right now, to be honest, because I just don't like the way price is moving ever since that little drop over here. So we'll see what's up. We got the 8:30 open price at 21,295. Solid dollar at 21,300. Keep in mind, y'all, also, for those of y'all who are watching, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Got some stalling going on here. Got this little gap here it created. Yeah. There we go. I don't like that little gap. I don't like it, but we're gonna. What y'all gonna do? Starting to pick up momentum. Just do what you say you're gonna do, Margaret. That's what we like. All right. We gotta get up out of there because they ain't playing around. We're gonna wait till after consumer sentiment at 10. We got about 20 minutes for that happen. Seems like NQ is the weaker one of the three right now. I can show y'all that real quick. You know what? I don't even get that scene set up. Let me see. See if I can set it up real quick. So here, this is NQ, ES, and YM. As you see, NQ is looking a little bit weaker than ES right now. So YM seems like it's trying to push up. YM is the Dow Jones. So we're gonna see what they trying to do. Good thing I did take a little profit. I wasn't really feeling it like that. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away. You gotta count your money. Now they gonna run up. That 15-minute fair value gap held up. That would have been a lot of risk taking it from the bottom, but they held up. hit the like button, leave a comment. If y'all got any questions, if you're curious about something, I got some time. We got about 12 minutes for consumer sentiment to come out, so I'm sitting on my hands until then. Also, what I realized is there's a delay in this YouTube, so I think it's like maybe like a 6 to 7 second delay. Maybe like 10. I'll try to fix it over the weekend. Still got some sharpening to do with this whole streaming setup. So this is invalidated. This one is now invalidated unless it wants to invert it. If it inverts it, let's see, it'll be another move to the downside. It's gonna come and sweep these lows right here. It's equal lows. You may see a move up once this sweeps this. Yeah. Or not. Tap that like button if y'all in here, y'all chilling. If you learning something. Yeah. So now that I see what it's doing here, I'm more likely to be. I'm more inclined to think that it is going to tap down here to this 1 hour inefficiency. See, this is a 15-minute time frame. So if I go to the 1 hour, it's a big gap right here, and we got equal lows here. Equal lows, and we got liquidity down here. Now, what I will think about is, since we showing bearish order flow, if we come up in here, maybe an opportunity. Let's just do that. Place our stop at the 38.2. Will they play this? There we go. We in. We are in there like swimwear. So now we are break even or better. So we can't lose on this trade. We're just gonna keep trailing it down. All right. That always sucks. Oh, that always sucks. That's all good. We took profit. Well, it is a 1 minute gap here, so we got to be mindful of that as well. I mean, I took a couple ticks out of it. We are in a slight downtrend right now, but just paying attention to this little area right here. Let me see. Because I might get back up in this. I don't know if I'm willing to risk 300. Oh yeah, we got news in 1 minute. I might have missed my cut. Here come the news. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Ooh, that was a nice push I didn't want. We out. Damn. Took all my little profit. Well, it's part of the game. Consumer sentiment pushed it up. All right, so all of these is, this can possibly get inverted. Possibly. I think we got one more stab in us, man. One more stab. Go from red to green, red to green, red. Let's see. Take another stab at it, y'all. We're going to place our stop just above the 61.8. We had 50% of the day. If the 50% can hold, our last line of defense is midnight open price and 61.8. See what the golden ratio do for us. Golden ratio and open price. They're going to push through it. Midnight open. 21,345. 21,353 is the stop. Let's remove some of these drawings. Take this one off too. YM is pushing up. We must not be gonna get stopped out. And that'll be it for today, y'all. Went from a red day to a green day to a red day to a green day, back to the red. It's part of the game. All right, we out. All right, we out. Red day today. We cool with that. We is cool with that. Now, if it drop from here, I'm gonna be tight. Still green for the week. I didn't want to end the week red, but it is what it is. We're gonna see what they're gonna do right here. Yep. All right, that's it. We ain't taking no more trades today. We about to shut it down. All right. That's it for me, y'all. Appreciate the love. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe on the way out. We will be back Monday morning with another stream on the road to 1 million. Tap in with me, y'all. Let's go.